Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lettuce wraps with crisp iceberg lettuce. First, choose a large, firm head of iceberg lettuce. You'll want to carefully peel off about 8 to 10 of the largest outer leaves, making sure they stay whole. After washing them well, gently pat each leaf completely dry. This ensures your wraps won't be watery. Now, get your filling ready, chopping everything into small, manageable pieces. Now for the heart of your lettuce wraps. The filling, you can use ground chicken, pork, or beef, cooking it until it's nicely browned. Next, add in some fragrant aromatics like minced garlic, fresh ginger, and finely chopped onion. Stir in your favorite vegetables, perhaps some crunchy water chestnuts, shredded carrots, or sliced mushrooms. Finish by seasoning with a few tablespoons of soy sauce, a dash of hoisin, a splash of rice vinegar, and a tiny bit of sesame oil for that perfect flavor. Once your filling is ready, it's time to assemble. Take one of your clean, dry iceberg lettuce leaves and lay it flat. Spoon about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your delicious filling into the center of the leaf. Remember, don't overfill, as this makes it much harder to wrap neatly. You want each bite to be just right. You can also offer a variety of dipping sauces on the side, like a spicy sriracha or a sweet chili sauce for an extra kick. And there you have it. Your homemade iceberg lettuce wraps are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them right away to ensure the lettuce remains wonderfully crisp. Encourage everyone to customize their wraps with any extra toppings or sauces you've provided. These wraps offer a fantastic, light, and incredibly flavorful meal that's perfect for a quick lunch or a fun dinner. If you have any leftover filling, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.